Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Caregivers Touch. And today's video, I will show you my new stethoscope that I bought online. And it's a replacement for my 20-year-old stethoscope. I still use it. It's still working, but the sound is like 5 out of 10. But you can still hear anything, so it's made from the Japan, and it's Alps K2 brand. It's a 20-year-old stethoscope. This is the first one that I have, and this is a new one, second stethoscope actually, and the first SPRAGUE stethoscope. So here's the stethoscope. It's a 2 tubing. And here's the bulb. It says Current Medical Swiss. It has a little damage in it when it arrived. And here's the diaphragm. I'm not sure if you could see it. And also has a damage in it. And you can turn 360. So if you, for example, if you turn it that way, the sounds will come out here. You can hear something here, and you cannot hear anything here. You can, but it's a little low, but when you turn it here, you can hear everything here. So you can turn it 360. Yeah, so it is. You can change if you want to. Yeah. Okay. I hope this one is durable. Sana magtagal. So it's color gray with a tag on it. And this one, when I used it yesterday, it's like a little uncomfy, but I hope I'll get used to it. You can turn it 360 also. I changed the earpiece because I'm not really comfortable with the silicone. This is a free silicone. I just changed it because this one is madaling masira. It's easily to break or worn out. Specifically when I was in hospital and health center that I used to work with, they have a stethoscope using this silicone and it breaks here. So I don't like that. I prefer the harder one, and it's uncomfortable using this one. It based on my experience though. But this one, I like this one's like it fits in your ears and it doesn't move at all. And this CARENT brand, it's okay brand. It's like a mid-range price. I think it's a mid-range stethoscope. And yeah, it's a mid-range brand. And I'll show you the free extra diaphragm, and as you can see, and a bell. You can. And here's the wipes. Remember that every time you use it to your patient, you have to clean it and disinfect your stethoscope. And here's the Chinese manual. It's a Chinese brand actually. There's no English in it. So I'll rate this brands like maybe 7 out of 10. I'm not sure yet, but for me it's 7 out of 10. It's heavy, yes, it's heavy. And it's a silicone tubing, it's a big silicone tubing. And that's it. I liked it. The problem is I just don't like and uncomfortable with this one, but I hope I will get used to it though. So that's it. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, and I'll show you more unboxing medical equipment. And that's it. This is the CARENT brand, and I hope you like this product. I'm not sure if you like this type of stethoscope. So how about you? Comment down below what stethoscope that are you using, and tell me why. Do you like this Sprague if you have Sprague, or do you like the classic one? So please comment down below, and I hope to hear you from soon. And yes, have a good day.